How to create an Azure Storage Account, a beginner's guide. Azure Storage Accounts offer a flexible and secure way to manage cloud data. Whether you're storing application files, media, or massive data sets for analytics, understanding how to set up a storage account is essential. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to create one and key concepts to consider. Step 1. Navigate to create a storage account. 1. Log into the Azure portal, /portal.azure.com. 2. Click Create a Resource from the dashboard or menu. 3. Search for Storage Account and select the Microsoft provided option. Step 2. Configure basic settings. Subscription and resource group. Assign the storage account to an active subscription and a specific resource group. Account name. Enter a globally unique name using only lowercase letters and no special characters. Region. Choose the data center closest to your users for optimal performance. Performance tier. Select standard for general usage or premium for low latency applications. Redundancy option. Decide between locally redundant storage, LRS, zone redundant storage, ZRS, geo-redundant storage, geo-zone redundant storage. Step 3. Advanced options. Secure transfers. Enable HTTPS for secure API operations. Hierarchical namespace. Enable this if you plan to upgrade to Data Lake Gen2 for big data workloads. Note, once enabled, this cannot be reversed. Access tiers. Hot for frequently accessed data. Cool for infrequently accessed data. Archive for rarely accessed data. Step 4. Network and security. By default, storage accounts allow access from all public networks. Restrict access by limiting access to specific virtual networks. Adding IP rules. Configuring Azure private links for a zero trust model. Step 5. Recovery and encryption. Soft delete. Retain deleted blobs for up to 7 days. Default to prevent accidental loss. Versioning. Enable versioning to store previous file versions. Encryption. Use Microsoft managed keys or your own keys for data encryption. Step 6. Creating and managing containers. Once the storage account is created, go to Storage Browser. 2. Create a blob container to organize your data. 3. Upload files and adjust the container's access level, e.g. public or private. Step 7. Upgrading to Data Lake Gen2. If needed, upgrade your account for hierarchical namespaces. 1. Disable soft delete and other conflicting features. 2. Navigate to Data Lake Gen2 upgrade under Settings. 3. Validate and start the upgrade process. Key takeaways. Azure storage accounts are flexible, secure, and essential for storing structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Features like redundancy, secure transfers, and access tiers ensure reliability and cost efficiency. Plan your storage account settings carefully, especially hierarchical namespace upgrades, which are irreversible. By following these steps, you can create and configure a robust Azure storage account tailored to your application or business needs. Let me know if you'd like further assistance.